Kapatid, alam mo ba, minsan hindi mo kailangan ng 10 habits para ikaw ay yumaman. Minsan, isang habit lang ang kailangan para mabago na ang iyong financial life. At kung ano yon, pag-usapan po natin. Hi there, this is Shinky Tan, your pambansang wealth coach. Sa araw na ito, i-reveal ko na sa inyo personally the 1 millionaire habit that transform my finances, my mindset, and future. Promise, hindi to complicated, hindi to secret, pero ito ay habit ng karamihan na hindi lang alam na or probably hindi lang binibigyan ng pansin. Kung nalaman mo tong habit na ito, I can assure you, believe me, magiging successful ka. Kumuha ng papel, usap tayo, okay, para mag-notes ka dito. Alam mo, marami tao kasing magagaling, maabilidad, may mga degree, talagang matatalino, pero hindi siya successful. Bakit? Pagka tinamad lang ay nagawin, or if not naman, nag-fail lang, nasasaktan, tumitigil, naghanap ulit ng bago. In other words, ano ang kulang? The millionaire habit na probably that you are missing out that can really make a breakthrough for you is the habit of consistency. Yep, consistent lang po. Sounds simple, right? Pero ito yung pinakamahirap actually i-maintain. Ano ibig kong sabihin? Mabilis mag-umpisa na sabihin mo na magda-diet ka. Pero mahirap mag-consistent na magda-diet. Mabilis na sabihin, sige, mag-enroll na ako sa gym, mag-exercise na ako. Pero mahirap maging consistent pupunta ka ng gym. Agree? Likewise with finances, sinabi mo, mag-iipon na ako. Ayan, may ipon box na ako. Sumali na ako sa mga kaiponaryo. Oo, nag-ipon ka a few weeks. Pagkatapos nun, hindi mo tinuloy. Agree o disagree? Ikaw ba yun? Type me kung ikaw yan. Kaya nga, if you ask me, if you are going to talk to me, Chinky, one-on-one nga tayo, ano yung talagang pwede mo share sa akin? Gusto mo malaman, sikreto ko, isa lang. Consistent po ko. Like for example, sa pag-create ng content creation, itong channel na ito na YouTube, alam nyo ba, I started, I think, around 15 or 16 years ago sa YouTube, and every day, I've been producing one new content every single day. One single content, never missed. Why? I'm just consistent. Hindi naman ako magaling siguro. Hindi naman ako katulad ng mga iba, di ba? Pero ang lamang ko lang, consistency. So, let me break it down for you clearly, step by step, para maintindihan mo. Kung gusto mo maging successful, ito yung ginawa ko. Number 1, consistent ako sa pag-iipon. Hindi ako yumaman dahil sa laki ng kita ko. Naging milyonaryo ako dahil consistent ako sa pag-iipon. Kahit maliit, pa konti-konti, kahit minsan masikip ang budget, pinaprioritize ko. Every week, ang formula ko, income, savings, expense. Every week, every month, non-negotiable yan. Because yung maliliit na saving ko done consistently, eventually, it became big money. So that's my number 1 tip for you. Number 2, ang isa pang consistent na ginawa ko na nakatulong talaga sa akin, consistent learning. Habang iba nanonood ng mga teleserye, mga iba engage themselves in chismis, ako nanonood po ako ng business videos, nagbabasa ako ng finance books, nag-attend ako ng seminar. Dahil habit ko talagang matuto, I can still remember in 1997, I attended a Zig Ziglar seminar, which I paid 5,000 pesos in 1997. Ang value siguro niyan, 50,000 or more right now. Pero, magkano ang return? Sobrang laki. Gusto mo bang mag-start ng negosyo pero natatakot ka? Good news! Stop guessing and start running your business with clarity. Get access to Negosyo GPT powered by my proven business frameworks. Kung gusto nyo makakuha ng access, alam nyo dapat nyo gawin? Click the link below or type Nego GPT. Kaya kahit 10 minutes lang a day, di ba? Pasa ka lang, manood ka lang ng video na ganito. And this is what I've realized. The more I learn, the more I earn. Kaya knowledge compounds, and compound knowledge compounds income. Third thing na ginawa ko na consistent ako, sobra akong consistent with my work ethic. Hindi ako naghintay ng motivation bago kong lumabas. Hindi ako naghintay ng perfect day. I just showed up every single day. Rain or shine, motivated or not. Pagod o hindi. As a matter of fact, there are days when I wake up, I don't feel like working. I don't feel like shooting a video. And actually, today is the day. Pero bakit ako nandito? Kasi ethic ko to nang talagang love ko to And success always rewards the person who shows up consistently, not the person who waits for the perfect timing. Ay, grabe to. Are you learning so far? Are you learning? Type learning if you are. Ay, nako, grabe. The fourth thing that I did and I will do, how that it helped me to become successful at what I'm doing, I also learned, ito yung isa na hindi masyado napapansin. I learned also the power of consistency to say no. Actually, ito yung pinakamahirap. When I was starting, I said no to luho. I say no to gastos na hindi kailangan. I say no to sudden purchases. I say no to mga wrong influences nag-i-invite sa akin na gagastos ko ng pera. I say no to unnecessary events. I say no to get rich quick scams. Yung mga biglaang pagyaman. And my no protected my money. And my consistency protected my growth. And the fifth thing that I've also done, and the last and the most important thing that I do believe na nakatulong po talaga sa akin mga kapatid na to be able to achieve financial freedom is consistent investing. Hindi ako nag-invest ng malaki agad. Maliit lang, pero tuloy-tuloy. Like for example, nag-start ako honestly. Nag-invest lang naman ako sa stocks. Invest ako sa skills improvement. So, ang iniisip ko, saan ko mapapark itong perang pinag-ipunan ko para lumago? I invest before I spend. And consistency compounded everything. Kaya kung titignan mo talaga, wala. Ang keyword lang talaga, why I am right now to where I am, kung sasabi yung how to be you, is consistency. And people often ask me nga, paano ba ako naging millionaire? My answer simple, hindi talent, hindi swerte, consistency. You cannot become a millionaire overnight, but you can become a millionaire through thousands and small decisions that you done consistently. Kaya kapatid, the one habit that made me a millionaire is consistent in savings, consistent in learning, consistent in hard work, consistent in discipline, and consistent in investing. Kung kaya ko, nagawa ko, I believe kaya mo rin gawin. You don't need to be the smartest to begin. You don't need to be the richest. You just need to be consistent. So, kapatid, kung ikaw na gusto mo tong video and sabihin mo, Chinky, I really like your mindset, how to be you. Okay, good news. We're doing a group coaching every month. With selected people lang. We pre-qualify the people. Not everyone's invited. So if you want to be part of my group coaching session, we meet once a month. Just type group coaching. I will send you a link para to pre-qualify kung ikaw ay qualified to be part of my coaching group. So maraming salamat. Sana naman ay natulungan ka ng episode na ito. Tatandaan, tamang karunungan, tamang disiplina, ang susi sa pagyaman.
Chinky Tan, with over 6 million Facebook followers, 2.8 million YouTube subscribers, and 2.4 million TikTok fans, is now all out to share with you the most practical, simplest path to lasting wealth.